In this quick video tutorial, I want to teach you how to appear offline in Roblox. First of all, you need to log into your account and then you need to click the gear icon in the top right and go to the settings. After that, you need to look at this menu and you need to go to the privacy and content restrictions. It also might be called privacy and content maturity. So you need to click on this and then you need to go to the visibility and private servers. Then go to the visibility and you need to set this on no one, so no one can see your current experience and join you. And also make sure that this is toggled off. Share activity updates, you need to turn this off. After that, you need to go back to privacy and content restrictions right here, and you need to go to the communication settings and you need to go to the experience chat and you need to set this on no one. Also, you need to disable the direct chatting. Then you need to go back and do the same process for party. So set it on no one, then go back. And you can also disable the voice chat, and that's how you can appear offline in Roblox. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.